Hello everybody, this is a quick tutorial video on how to retrieve an appliance serial number from Lighthouse. So we're looking at this knowledge base article, you can see the address there, and there's two different commands that we'll use, one for the more legacy appliances, a different one for the more modern appliances, and I've just got them both captured here. We'll start with the first show serial command, and one thing I'm doing when I invoke this, here you can see sudo node command -A for all appliances. And I'm adding on this little trailing text here that removes the login banner from the output. Otherwise, it kind of pollutes your results. So we'll start with this command here to show you how that works. Now, I've done this a few times recently, so it's not going to prompt me for my sudo password. Normally, you would if this is the first time you're running it. So you can see we had a failure against one of the newer appliances because this is a legacy command, but it did succeed against my IM here, and you can see the serial number there. And we'll go ahead and do the same for the other types of appliances using the OGCLI command. It takes just a moment, more nodes, and you'll see it comes back with a failure to the IM right here, and then success for the other appliances, and you can see their associated serial number. Now, there's a ton you can do with the node command, and here are three different knowledge base articles that go deeper into how to use the node command. Specifically this one, the smart groups. If I had created them for my different commands that I just ran, it would have made the output a lot cleaner. So consider that and these other options when you're planning how to use the node command to benefit you and your environment. I hope this is a helpful video. Thank you for watching.